Many people believe that eating expired food is dangerous, but the truth is more nuanced. A glance at the expiration date might tell you that it's time to toss the food, but in fact, expired food might still be perfectly safe and enjoyable to eat. Expiration dates are often guidelines rather than hard rules. In simple words, best by dates indicate peak quality, not safety. Foods like canned goods, dry pasta, and frozen items can last well beyond their dates if stored properly. The date is not an exact science, but a prediction of when an item will be of highest quality in terms of taste, appearance, and texture. However, it's essential to trust your senses. If something smells off, looks strange, or has an unusual texture, it's best to be on the side of caution. Foods like dairy and meat require more vigilance, as they can harbor harmful bacteria when spoiled. In fact, a significant amount of food is being wasted from misunderstanding these dates. Depending on where you live, you may see different dates on your food, and each has a different purpose. Here's a bit of clarity based on information from the Institute of Food Technologists, IFT, and FSAS. Best if used by/before. This is a quality assurance date and serves as a suggestion for when the taste and quality of food are at their peak. It is not a purchase or safety date. Use by. This is the suggested date by when you should eat the food. But just because it's a day or two past the use by date doesn't mean that consuming it will make you sick, although you should evaluate the quality of the food yourself after this time. It is not a safety date, except when used on infant formula. Sell by. This is not a safety date, but rather a date for retailers that helps them determine how long an item should remain on the shelf. According to the IFT, 1/3 of a product's shelf life remains after the sell-by date for the consumer to use at home. Freeze-by. According to the USDA, this date indicates when a product should be frozen to maintain peak quality. It is not a purchase or safety date. By learning to differentiate between types of expiration labels and using your judgment, you can reduce waste and save money while still enjoying safe, nutritious meals.